All right, everybody. First of all, I am really sorry about that I got late today. I had some work to do before I get a chance to sit on my desk and have some analysis or have a look at the market. Where is it at the sentiment point of view? But anyway, I guess what we're gonna do it right now at the end of the day. So let's have a quickly look at the market where we are at the sentiment point of view at the closing sessions of New York. So uh, if we look at the equity market, okay, let me just load it up. If we look at the equity market, all of the indices are currently trading in a positive, in a in a good sentiment view. So if we look at the North American sessions, S&P 500 making all-time highs, Dow Jones making nice recovery from a last week bumpy price action, Nasdaq making all-time highs, Germany 30 is also EMEA side, Germany 30, Euro stocks also making nice recovery, falling from 5,000 levels to 4,821 level. China Asia Pac side were having a nice recovery also there, but it's not that convincing that it is in a still in a risk on perspective. But however, UK 100 is also hasn't gone anywhere. It's just trading in a range area, and volatility index is currently sitting at a 13. Let me just make it bigger. And it's not that it's just trading in that range. So on equity point of view, it is pretty much positive and a risk on sentiment. If we look at the commodity sector, gold is just trying to push lower. Copper is as silver, same thing, except for on the oil side. Oil is making Brent crude and Western Texas all both trying to make a new higher highs here. And if we look at the natural gas, it's just showing a bit relief, but it just seems to me some of the maybe profit taking over there. So if we look at the overall picture, it seems to me that except energy, the safe haven gold is trading not that good, and it's just down by negative 0.71% at the end of New York session. So if we look at the yields across the board, it's all are in positive, and you all know that when yields goes up, it represents that the market is not much focusing on the safe haven or saving their money from risk point of view. They are now willing to take the risk, so money goes into the more riskier assets than staying in the safe havens. So on US 10-year, German 10-year, all across the board except Japan, UK, Australia, Italy, except it and Italy, all of them are showing a bit of the relief and has been trading at the end of this New York session in a positive territory. So it's pretty much risk on sentiment before closing the New York session. And let's have a look what we had on we had. Let me just put this on. Okay, so on economic data point of view, we had just industrial production year of year coming out of 5.6 negative. There was market expectation 6.2%. So it has led some downside pressure on Aussie, and as well, we all know that China and Australia and New Zealand are really good partners on the trading point of view. We also had a U.S. Empire State Manufacturing Index, negative 6.0%, came better than expected. And don't forget that we are also having Australian cash rate coming out at 1:30 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time. And after that, we're having a core retail sales. Uh, so the final picture of today's sentiment point of view is the risk is on, and we can clearly focus on some of the weaker currencies or the stronger currencies before trading the market. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know, and see you tomorrow morning. Thank you guys, thank you so much.